Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you where are WhatsApp documents stored on Android mobile. Say for example, if you receive a PDF document from one of your friend or relative and you downloaded that, now if you want to check the location where exactly WhatsApp saved this document location on Android, it is easy. First of all, on your Android mobile, click on this Files app. Why I am saying this to open the Files app is this Files app, Files by Google app is the default file manager app for almost all the mobiles. See here. And once you open the files, you'll see this internal storage folder. Tap on this. And here you'll find one more folder. Click on Android. Then click on this media. Sorry, then click on com.whatsapp, then WhatsApp again, then media again, and here, see here, this is where you'll find WhatsApp documents. And see here, these are all the PDF files what I have received through uh, WhatsApp, and this got saved, and these are from different dates actually. Even from the year 2024 are also available, and these are the sent ones what I sent to the other person, to my friends. Okay, these are the private. Okay, these are the images which sent as a document. Not only this MS Word documents or PDF documents. In this private folder, you will have the photos which are sent as the documents also. I hope this helps. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like. That is what all I want from you. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.